Hello friends, welcome to Covidien Valley Lab Force FX Electrosurgical Generator, the gold standard in surgical energy for over 20 years, used in general surgery, gynecology, urology and laparoscopy. Force FX delivers precise cutting and coagulation while prioritizing patient safety. The force FX is an electrosurgical generator that uses high frequency electrical current to cut tissues and control bleeding during surgery. It replaces the scalpel for many procedures by sealing blood vessels as it cuts. It offers two main energy types. Monopolar energy goes from the active electrode through the patient to the return electrode pad. Bipolar energy goes between the two tips of forceps, ideal for delicate tissues. Force FX automatically adjusts the power output 2000 times per second. This means consistent performance even when tissue impedance changes. The key features and safety. First, instant response technology. The generator senses tissue changes and adjusts power instantly. This gives you clean cuts and minimal thermal speed. Second, advanced modes. Monopolar, cut, coagulation and blend modes. Bipolar, standard and micro modes for neurosurgery and plastic surgery. Special modes, spray coagulation for surface bleeding and fulgurate for pinpoint coagulation. Third, REM patient safety. Return electrode monitoring. The force FX constantly checks the contact quality of the patient return pad. If contact is poor, it alarms and shut off monopolar energy. This prevents patient burns. The fourth, audio and visual feedback. Different tones for cut and coagulation. Large display shows power settings, mode and active instruments. The fifth, accessory compatibility, works with the Valley Lab pencils, laparoscopic instruments and bipolar forceps. Single use and reusable options available. Next one, the proper setup is critical for safety. First step 1, power on and self test. Connect to the power, turn on. The force FX runs a safety test. Check that all alarms are working. Step 2, connect the return electrode. This is the most important safety step. Clean and dry the patient's skin. Apply the REM patient return electrode to a large muscle area close to the surgical site. Connect it to the REM port. The REM light must be green. If red, reposition the pad. Step 3, connect instruments. Plug the active electrode pencil to the cut and coagulation ports. Connect bipolar forceps to the bipolar port. The step 4, select mode and power. For cutting tissue, select cut. Start with 30 to 40 watts and adjust. For coagulation, select coag. Start with 25 to 35 watts. For laparoscopic sealing, use blend or low cut. For bipolar, select bipolar and use 15 to 30 watts. Press the pedal or hand switch to activate. Listen for the tone. Cut equal to high tone and coagulation low tone. Clinical application and best practice. In general surgery, bowel resection, hernia repair and open procedures. In laparoscopy, cholecystectomy and appendectomy using low power to reduce smoke. In gynecology, hysterectomy and myomectomy. In orthopedics, bone bleeding control with coagulation. Practice, always use the lowest effective power setting. Keep the active electrode clean to prevent sticking. Use short burst, not continuous activation to reduce thermal injury. Never activate in open air near flammable gases. For 20 years, surgeon has trusted force FX because it's predictable, safe and powerful. Instant response gives consistent results. REM protects the patient. The rugged design means it's ready for every case, every day. Covidien Valley Bag Force FX, the power to cut, the control to coagulate, the safety to trust. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe.